Hi viewers, I am Nivedika and today I'll tell you about string. When we write more than one character under double quote mark in one line like this, then it is called a string, and we initialized a string like this. So first will be used a data type, that is character, then string name like this, and initialization part like this. We use gets or getter function for taking string also like this, and if we only add the name of an string like this will work for inputting string. So basically this function is the alternative for our scanf function. By this way we can also take a string, and for printing we can use puts function also like this, and this will be the alternative for our printf function. So this way also we can take a string, but here we initialized the string, so we don't need this here. We can also take string as input at the runtime also. Here you can see it look like a array, but not at all. Here we will use double quote mark for taking string, and we must have to follow this structure for initialization. Okay, let's see some example program where we will declare string. We'll use this string for different purpose, and also we'll see some string handling function. So here two new string handling function, which are gets and puts function. And one more thing is, here you can see a new header file. This is string.h header file, and the function we will use today, that's briefing, is contained in our string.h. and for working with string we have to add this header file at the beginning of our program like this. And now we will know the effectiveness and the working process of our string handling function. And here you can see this is a string handling function. This is called strlen function, and by this function we can find out the length of our string, basically the total number of characters that we will take in a string. So this will work for counting the elements of a string. So if we print, build and run this program, this shows that the length of the word is 8. So the length of this string is 8. That means we used 8 characters in our string. So this works for counting the length of a string. And here you can see another string handling function that is called strcpy. That means strcopy function. So this is basically used for copying one string to another. So this is the space that the another string will copy, and this is the main string that will be copied in the space of this string. So here you can see we declared one string, we don't initialize it. Basically this place is used for copying this or this string, and if we build and run, you can see it prints. So basically this string will take place instead of this space. So if we use string 2 here and print string 3, then it will print the another string, that is string 2. So this time this string copied instead of this string space. So this is the main theme of strcopy string handling function. We can copy this string 2 in the space of string 1 here also. and if we print string 1, then you can see string 2 copied in the place of string 1. So here is another one, and this is strcat, that is for concatenation. So str concatenation or strcat function is used for concat to strings. Basically, by this program, this part will be concatenate with this part, so these two string will be appeared in together. So if we build and run, you can see this prints the total string 1 and string 2. So by this program we can make two string together like this. So here you can see another string handling function that is called strcmp, that is for comparing two string. There is one more important thing, that is function strcmp that will compare two string. It indicates whether two string are same or not, and here we used same string, so it will gives the output in integer form. That's why we used %d here. So if we compare two string here, so if these are same, that will give the output as 0, and if not same, then it will give value 1. If we build and run this program, it gives us the output 0. That means the string are same, and if these are not same, like this and this, will gives us the output 1. That means the string are not same. These are not the least 4 function we have in string handling function. We have more string handling function also, like str duplicate function also in our string handling function, and so many string handling function we have. We can use, basically by string handling function we can reduce the complexity, we can make our program more effective and use it in a very easy way. So that's why we use string handling function in our program. If we see this 4 function at a glance, then this is strlen function and used for finding out the length of a string. This is str copy function. This is used for copy one string to another. This is str cat function, and this is str compare function, and this is used for compare to string whether they are same or not. So this is the main theme of string. In our next tutorial we will know about structure. So till then, stay connected with my channel, subscribe my channel, and like, share if you like my videos. Also share your problems through comments. So for now, bye, thank you.